What's up for this squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And tonight, sorry for that echo, I'm heading over, pick up the homie Frantz, and then we're gonna go pick his car up. I didn't record dropping it off, but yeah, he got some goodies done to the car, so we're gonna be picking it up from Ryan's house. So the link will be in the description below for the merch, as well as the homies' Instagram. If you want them to make a YouTube, make sure you leave it in the comment section below. But let's go ahead and head on over there. Alright. Aired out. Still worked on the fitment a little bit. It's a little better, but we're not exactly at the final form yet. Still can't get in there, but I'm gonna add some more camber to the front. This side still not bagged, so the bag is on the way. Once that bag arrives, we'll finish that, and I'll go over basically everything that's been going on. Ugh, spider webs. But yeah, let's go ahead and head on and pick up the homie Frantz.
Oh, you ready now?
Alright. Just got to Ryan's house. Already picked Frantz up. Let's take a look. And the video that I started saying when he got his car back, I canceled that video, but of course he got his car back. But let's take a look. What's up? I'm gonna let Frantz get in there. I don't want to jump, you can go ahead, but I'll just come back here. Look at that. Ryan definitely killed it with this one. That color fits perfect. Oh, I don't know why I wasn't expecting the size. Yeah, it's definitely dope. I guess because everybody like had stuff in there and they couldn't get like loose. Nice. Yeah. So wait till he got the rest of the stuff set up. It's gonna be dope. Definitely kill that. Let me know what you guys think. I know, like he's telling me that timing is perfect.
I've been working, bro, since 6 o'clock this morning.
Wow. And it's 10 o'clock now. So he definitely killed it. Feel like it's been too long since we all lined up like this. Gotcha. You got the meteor shower in there. You can see it. Instead of the twinkle, we got the meteor shower. That's pretty cool. I was about to say, who is that? Alright, so we're looking good, looking good. I have my underglow unplugged right now, so I'm not turning it on. Been killing my battery. But yeah, let's just take a look. That meteor shower is pretty dope. So you driving with that color?
Yep, that's my color.
What about the underglow? That should drive. Are you gonna drive with that too, or?
That color, yeah.
Pretty good.
It's like a kind of like a Miami color. It's like a Miami.
Yeah.
I like it.
Making me want to find another color. I just been rocking the white. Little kiwi over there. That's going. That looks good. That red is nice. You gonna put your that light back here on? What is that light called? No, I was talking about this one.
Oh yeah. No, I like it so much. I gotta keep that for the house.
Gotcha. Get that. I don't know. I think I like the other color a little more. Well, I don't know if you had this down. Let me know which color y'all think. Yeah.
Oh look.
Trying to give you a seizure while you're driving. Because that, of course, is the same as in there. The color I usually roll with. But yeah, just playing around with the colors. We're gonna have everybody in the squad with these. Most of everybody in the squad have them already. But yeah, like if you're in the Central Florida area, make sure you hit up the homie Ryan. He'll definitely get you right. We did the underglow for everybody too. Speed Zone did this one, but the other underglow kits he did. So definitely let us know. Hit him up on Instagram. Link will be in the description below. So yeah. Oh yeah. So I kind of forgot, but the comment of the day is going to go out to. And if you guys want to be commented today, make sure you leave comments, and the next one might be you. Yeah. Alright, for the squad, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. Definitely, like I said, I know I said let me know a lot of stuff in the comment section, but definitely let me know what you guys think of Frantz's setup, and which color you think he should run, because I think the initial color when we pulled up, I think that fits his theme pretty well. But yeah, definitely let me know. I think I'm gonna be rocking this one because the other white that I've been rocking isn't as bright as this one, so I think I'm gonna keep this one. But yeah, yeah, like I was saying, the other video that I'm working on, I'm trying to wait till the latest bag shows up so I can do a whole video on everything that happened. And that's also why I haven't really been doing too much, because I'm trying not to drop the car too often, if I can help it. So I'll go over all of that in that video. So hopefully that'll be sooner rather than later. But yeah, I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.